welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, update here on Nvidia, ticker Nvda, trading here on the Nasdaq, and we are aiming here for new all-time highs. We have a new all-time high here at $152, and we try to break this all-time high very soon. But I also have to show you the bear case scenario, what happens if we fail, and that we start to test here the previous support price levels. So we talk here about every price level to the up and the downside for Nvidia. Everything what I tell you here is based on the chart and not financial advice. Yeah guys, if you're new to my channel, usually I talk here about short squeeze stocks. The main purpose is of course to educate you in trading. That's why we dive in here to several chart techniques for Nvidia. But usually my mission is to predict short squeezes, guys. Yeah, I love to trade short squeeze stocks, and I really try to predict short squeezes here on my channel. I show you here later what I mean by that. So let's first start with Nvidia. Yo guys, when we see that, so we have of course a very strong uptrend. Even Nvidia did a stock split here back in June, guys. Yeah, nothing changed here. The price is still going up. We had one big shakeout back here to $90, and now the price is still going higher. And as I said, the all-time high right now is $152. What we can see before we enable the drawings, I start here with the 4 hours chart now, guys. So one candle displays here the price action of 4 hours. So we see that the black line which you see here in the chart, this is the EMA 200 days line, but in the 4 hours chart, guys, very important, not in the daily chart. And you can see that this line is usually supporting the price. So the last fake out which we had below this line here was back in September. We recovered from that really quick, and I will show you some indicators here which also show the potential buying liquidity zones here, or the buying price levels for Nvidia. And what we can see, that even the price is faking out, we still regain support here, and the black EMA line, as I said here, this is the moving averages of 200 days in the 4 hours chart, is supporting the price. For now, we had again one fake out below this line. We can see that right now here, guys. That was on Wednesday. Sorry, today is Thursday while I'm recording that video. Happy Thanksgiving to all of you, by the way. If you see that here, maybe Thanksgiving is already over, but I wish you nothing but the best for you and your families, guys. So, and what we can see, we had here this candle. We had one fake out candle below the black EMA line, and immediately the bulls stepped in and said, no, that's a no. We are still strong, and the price is trying to come back now here, or even closed above the black EMA line here, guys. This is just what we can see in the chart. What is not good is that we have now something here like I would call it a small downtrend here. The other EMA line, sorry, coming now very close here to this black EMA line. If they start to cross the black EMA line, this is usually a bearish sign. Even I don't focus too much on EMA line trading strategies, but I just want to show you when the lines start to cross here, the white, yellow, and the purple line here start to cross the black EMA line. This is usually here a bear scenario, but of course in the short term, since we're trading here or watching the chart in the 4 hours chart, guys. Before we dive in now here into the technicals, into my drawings, I said that I try to predict short squeezes, and the main mission here is to release every week short squeeze stocks which squeeze. Yeah, I mean, there is no guarantee, of course, but what I do is I release every Sunday my so-called hot stocks. And these tickers here have high squeeze potential. And when I release a video like that, I expect those tickers to squeeze in the very few next days. You can see here some of the member feedback. So we had a lot of profits here, and I just show you what happened this week. So I released this week, of course, as usually my hot stock video on Sunday. And then we had on here 25th of November, beginning of the week, Monday, we had directly here a 109% squeeze. One day after my video release, this ticker directly started to squeeze, and of course hit exactly the price level which I expected. And then yesterday, guys, so on Wednesday, before here Thanksgiving started and the market closed, we had this squeeze here. This ticker squeezed, by the way, 270%. But while I made the screenshot here during that time, we had a 242% squeeze 2 days after my video release, guys. So as I said, it is possible to predict short squeezes in the market. There is no guarantee, but if you open for short squeeze stocks, guys, if you want to learn trading and want to see those hidden short squeeze stocks, this is a very finest selection which I present here. Then you can of course join in here our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership here on Patreon. You can see all the member benefits here, guys. And if you use the info icon here in the corner, then you get access to this Patreon member link. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or advanced trader, everybody is welcome, and we're growing here every day, and we're growing very quick. Okay guys, so let's go back to Nvidia. What I want to show you when we for a second here disable the indicators and just focus here on the drawings, then we know that of course Nvidia is in a very strong uptrend. So we had this previous trend channel pattern which supported the price here over the past years, and then here in the beginning of 2024 in January, this breakout started here, and I would even call it something like a squeeze. That is not a classical short squeeze, but we can see that Nvidia ripped here 225% since January 2024, which is very strong, guys, because we have here a stock with $3.3 trillion market capital. This is absolute crazy. That's why I say like 220% here in almost 1 year. Don't forget, guys, as I said, yeah, we have some stocks here which do that same price action in 1 day. So yeah, that is up to you what you want to do. This is not financial advice, but we have a lot of opportunities here in the market. So guys, and what I think is the make it or break it price level for Nvidia is this, guys. This red line here in the chart, $125 is the make it or break it price level. We know that we had here something like a decision at $126.99. That was one of the previous Fibonacci retracements which I did for Nvidia. And yes, we squeeze higher, guys, but the next price level here would be, in my opinion, I can of course refresh that here and make a new retracement for you, but still based on the old price actions, the next price call for Nvidia is $181 if we continue to squeeze and if the market keeps to be bullish, guys. The problem is that we are completely overheated right now. We had the same situation in 2021, and then in November 2021 the bear market started. We have now the end of November. I still don't see the bearish signs yet that we have a change or a trend change, but be careful, guys. The market is overheated, and we may see here a reversal and heating into a bear market. It don't has to be. There is a chance that we still see a bull run continuing through the next year. That is of course possible, but I just say be very careful where you select your buy-in prices here. Of course, if you hold the stock here for 10 years or longer, then it's a different story. Yeah, guys, and the price levels to the downside, as I said, it would not surprise me if we retest here $125. That is an absolute legit price level here, and that is not bearish, guys. As long as we trade, in my opinion, here was one make it or break it price level at $102. In my opinion, based on the previous retracement here, yeah, when we just focus on the Fibonacci retracement, I don't want to see a price lower than $108 for Nvidia. We had this trend channel pattern here in the 4 hours chart where the price started to retrace, then we broke out. So that is very usually that we retest this trend channel here one more time and then maybe start to bounce back. As I said, we can just continue to squeeze from here on, but if we see a correction, the next price targets here, in my opinion, as $125 and $108 or a little bit above that. We can see that when we come down here, I think we end up somewhere here in that price range, let's say between $108 and $102. This is what I would expect in favor for the bears, and this is not bearish. As soon as we break again $125 with volume, then we have a good chance here to see an even bigger squeeze for Nvidia, guys. And as I said, the next price call here to the upside is $181, guys, and that would be one of the very significant price ranges where we could see a stronger pullback incoming. Yeah, I will of course update here on Nvidia, and if you want to copy here the price levels from my chart, guys, everything what you see here is based on TradingView. I use that program here for all my videos and all my trades, and I use that program since many years. And there is a once in a year chance right now because we have Black Friday for TradingView. So if you want to get that program, if you want to learn trading, there is no way around, guys, that you use a good chart program, and I always use TradingView, and that's why I recommend that. And we have now here 70% discount on the premium tier. I have a link here, a special discount link for you here on the info icon, guys. When you click here, then you get access to the 70% discount link, and you get 1 month for free for the premium tier. I think this is the best offer available in the market, and it's absolutely worth it if you want to learn trading, guys. If you want to understand how the algos are trading here, Nvidia and all the other stocks, then I would invest in this program here. Yo, guys, that was the video here for Nvidia. I hope that was helpful for you. I hope, of course, that we just continue to squeeze. There is a chance that we find support here also at $129, but as I said, it would be absolute it just would make sense that we retrace back here to $125, and then we have to see if Nvidia can still bounce or if the bears take over. The market is super bullish and we have a lot of short squeeze potential right now in the market. Otherwise we would not see squeezes like that here, 242% in just one day, also one day after my video release, guys. Okay guys, that was the update. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching. If you like this content here, if you don't want to miss any updates, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, being that said, see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute, viel Erfolg mit Nvidia und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye.